Okay, there are a few more features, and I did show how you can change the view of your worksheet. You can zoom in and zoom out. It'll also show you how to split window panes. So if you select cell E8, and let me go to the other worksheet. So if you select E8, and then that is the intersection of the four proposed panes, and if necessary, display the view tab. So I'm going to click off of it. If you click on this and then you click split pane, it's going to split the panes, and you can scroll down at the bottom. So down here you can scroll on this side, and you can scroll here and here for the different panes. So it's just a different way to kind of move around and be able to see more than one thing at a time, or more than one, dividing it into panes so you can see. So A1 through D7 should be in the upper left. So A1 through D7. And it looks like this pane, and I'm messing it up, so I better not do that. I'm just gonna go back to the normal view. But it splits it into four different, but to remove the panes, you just go back to that split button and click it. You can scroll the worksheet until Excel displays row 3. So right here, in column A, select cell B4 as the cell. So B4 as the cell on which to freeze. And then we're going to click the Freeze Panes Gallery to freeze rows and columns to the left and above the selected column A, row 3 in this case. Alright, let me make sure that I'm on in the right place. Select cell B4 as a cell on which to freeze. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna freeze the panes, and like it had mentioned, you're just going to click freeze panes in the freeze gallery. So you're going to click freeze panes and freeze panes. And what it will do, it's going to freeze all of these in column A, and then everything above row 3. Scroll down in the worksheet until row 9 is displayed. So row 9, and you can see that it's displayed, and now you can view this without, and still have those columns. You can still see those. Okay, to unfreeze it, you're going to click the freeze tabs and click unfreeze panes. So you would go here and then click unfreeze. All right, we're going to save this and keep moving on. We're going to scroll until row 4 is the row that we see, and we're going to click in cell A7 to select the row above which to split the window, and we're going to click the split button to split the window after row 6. So just to make sure, click in cell A7 to select the row above which to split the window. Click the View tab, Window Group, to split the window after row 6. So we are going to split the window after row 6. Use the scroll arrows in the lower right pane to scroll the window content until row 9 is the first row visible. So we're going to use the scroll arrows in the lower right pane and scroll the window content until row 9 is the first row visible in the lower part of the screen. Okay, so let's do that. So we want to go up until row 9. Okay. Enter 7,500 in cell B20. So enter in B20 B20 we want to enter 7,500. Okay, and then in B20 25% in cell B22. And then and 3.50% in cell B25. So 7,500, 3.50%, and 25% in cell B22, and then 3.50% in cell B25. And this is going to cause the monthly income in cell H16 to decrease. So let's look at it. Cell H16. And let's check and see if that worked. And it did. Alright, so it says select cell H16. And display the data tab and then click what if analysis. So data and then what if and goal seek. And then we want to select, we want the set cell box for H16, click to 3,500,000 $3,500,000 and click cell B23 on the worksheet to assign the current cell B23 in this case to the by changing cell. So by changing B23. Click OK. And all right, click OK to goal seek for the sought after value in the to value text box, 3,500,000 in cell H16, and then we want to, let me see what it says, and you can see what the target value is, and that's what we got. All right, click the cancel button to do that, to cancel that, and then we also want to click the split button to remove the two panes. Then it wants you to select cell A6 and display the review tab. All right, and then we're going to do smart lookup. And you're going to do and then it'll pull up information about that particular cell. And now we're ready to close it out and save it with the correct file name, and you are ready to submit the textbook project.